Okay, what I'm going to demonstrate today is how to use what I call the hot feature on the new Nutribullet RX. It's the new machine in the Nutribullet line made by Magic Bullet. And what this feature does is you do your regular Nutriblast like any Nutribullet has in the past, but this unit has a new feature on it, which is a hot feature, which making soups, or in this case is going to be a coffee. I wouldn't normally make coffee this way, but it's just for demonstration purposes. So what it is, when you start the machine, there's a light down here that's going to be green, and if you hit that button, the green button, within the first minute of the machine going, it'll kick it into a hot feature, which it will go, the machine will go for 7 minutes, and it will also heat the liquid up in the machine to 150 degrees. So I'm gonna demonstrate that now. You have to use this pitcher here specifically for this hot feature because it has a special lid to let the steam out. So tighten it up really good. Don't want to put it on there yet, I about did that. Okay, this recipe is in the book. Okay, so it's 1.5 cups of almond milk, half a cup of strong coffee, and it calls for 5 drops of stevia. I've already put the stevia in there. Actually, vanilla stevia. 5 drops of vanilla stevia. Okay. 1 teaspoon, or it's half teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie puree. It comes in a can. This is for a pumpkin spice latte, by the way. Put this on there. Get it started. And I'm not going to video the whole process because it's going to be loud, but I'm going to put this on there. The light's going to turn green. I'm going to make it turn red, and then I'll come back when it's done. Okay, this just finished its 7-minute cycle. It is pretty warm. It's supposed to get up to 100, your ingredients up to 150 degrees. Not sure you can tell how much steam is inside here, but it's a special lid to let the steam out. Get off the base first. Go. This would be perfect for making soups or something like that. I just didn't have the stuff to make soup, so I thought I'd do the Pumpkin Spice Latte. It's really hot. There we go. This was the Pumpkin Spice Latte recipe that was in the book that comes with the machine. And this again is the Nutribullet RX. It's the new machine by Nutribullet. It's a really durable machine. Like I said before, the motor has a 2.3 horsepower, and it's totally different than any of the other Nutribullets that they've had in the past, which they've only had 2. The original one, which was 600 watts, the Nutribullet Pro, which is 900, and then this one is a 2.3 horsepower, which I believe is right around a little over 1700 watts. So it's almost twice as much as the Nutribullet Pro. I picked this up at Macy's. It was $1.99. I think it's only been out for about 4 days now doing this video. It's been maybe 4 days. So it's a brand new machine. And if you're really into the Nutribullet brand, I suggest you buy one of these machines.